Hello friends. Welcome to the grammar lesson derivation. We recommend you to watch this video to the end, to know more about the derivation. Adjectives. In this video, we'll make a quick revision on the following concepts: roots, affixes, and the four main parts of speech: nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Then we'll learn the suffixes for each part of speech. Finally, we'll try to discover words order in a sentence. Root and affixes. Definition: the root word is the base word, which cannot be divided into smaller parts. The prefix is a letter, or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word. The suffix is a letter, or a group of letters added to the end of a word. The use. Prefixes are added to change the meaning. Suffixes are added to change the tense, or part of speech. Example 1. Disagreed. The base word here is agree. Dis is a prefix, means not. Ed is the suffix that changes the tense from verb 1 to verb 2. Example 2. Disagreement. The base word here is agree. Dis is a prefix, means not. Meant is the suffix that changes the word's part of speech from a verb to a noun. A base word has no prefix or suffix added to it. The word care is a base word. It can be either a verb or a noun. Example: I care about you. The word care is a verb. Personal care is very important. The word care is a noun. The suffix full can change the word's part of speech to an adjective. Careful. I can also add the suffix ly to be an adverb. Carefully. Parts of speech. We'll be talking about the main four parts of speech: adverbs, adjectives, nouns, and verbs. Nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. The word student, building, and dog are nouns. Adjectives tell details about nouns. Examples: a smart student, a tall building, a fluffy dog. Smart, tall, fluffy are all adjectives. Verbs. They are divided into two parts: main verbs and auxiliary or helping verbs. Main verbs show action or activity of a subject. They can stand alone without the help of any other verbs. Examples: drive, dance, smile, think. All these words can stand alone and give a complete meaning in a sentence. Auxiliary verbs. The auxiliary verbs are helping words. They give you more details about the verb. They cannot stand alone. They need another main word for their existence. Examples: verbs to be, verbs to have, verbs to do. These are main auxiliary verbs. Will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must. These are modal auxiliary verbs. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective. The word modify means to change or add to the meaning. We'll be focusing on adverbs ending with ly only. Examples: students think quickly, students think smartly, students think slowly.